In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use XLOOKUP to map number ranges to text labels in Excel. Open Microsoft Excel from your Start menu or from the taskbar. Once Excel is open, open the prepared workbook you already have for this task. In this demonstration, follow along with the workbook shown on screen and apply the same actions to your own file. Start by creating the output column where the grade labels will appear. Click cell C1 at the top of column C. This is the header cell for the new column. Type grade, then press enter. That gives column C a clear label, so the results of the lookup formula will be easy to read. Now click cell C2. This is the first row directly under the new grade header, and it is where the first XLOOKUP formula will go. The formula will look at the score in column B, compare it against the grade thresholds, and return the matching letter grade from the grade table. Begin typing the formula shown on screen. Type equals XLOOKUP, then open parenthesis. The first value is B2. This tells Excel that the score in cell B2 is the value you want to look up. Next, type a comma, then enter $D, $2, colon, $D, $6. This range contains the minimum score thresholds for each grade. The dollar signs lock the range, so when the formula is copied down, Excel will keep looking at the same threshold table instead of shifting the references row by row. Now type another comma, then enter $E, $2, colon, $E, $6. This range contains the matching text labels, which are the letter grades Excel should return after it finds the correct threshold. After that, type another comma and leave the fourth argument empty. This skips the optional value for what to show if no match is found. Then type another comma, followed by -1. This match mode means exact match, or the next smaller item. That setting is what allows XLOOKUP to map a score into a number range. If the score does not exactly match one of the thresholds, Excel uses the closest lower threshold and returns the grade label connected to that threshold. Close the parenthesis, then press enter. Cell C2 should now display the letter grade that matches the score in B2. The formula is reading the score, checking it against the minimum thresholds in column D, and returning the corresponding label from column E. Now fill the formula down for the rest of the students. Click cell C2 again so it is selected. Move your pointer to the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell. When the cursor changes into a thin black plus sign, you are on the fill handle. Double-click the fill handle. Excel copies the formula down through row 11, placing one formula on each student row. Look down column C and check that each student now has a letter grade next to their score. Next, prove that the lookup table is live. Click cell E6, which contains the A grade label. Type A+, then press enter. Watch column C after you make that change. Every student who previously had A now shows A+, and no formula edits are needed. Now press Ctrl+Z to undo that change and restore the original grade labels. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Column C is now fully populated. Every score in column B has been mapped to the correct letter grade from the lookup table by using one XLOOKUP formula copied down the column. Editing any label in the grade table in column E instantly updates every matching grade in column C, which shows that the formula is reading dynamically from the lookup table instead of using hard-coded grade values